Hi, welcome to Latest Excel. Today we will see how to consolidate data from multiple sheets into single sheet using a formula called VSTACK. Now here we have data in 4 sheets and we need to combine all this data in this sheet called VSTACK. So how do we do it? Now let's copy the common headers into the destination sheet. Now let's use the formula VSTACK. VSTACK stands for vertical stacking. So equals VSTACK into bracket, we need to select all the tables, table 1, comma, table 2, comma, you can type in the table name also, table 3, comma, table 4. Enter. Now you see all the data is consolidated here and all the data is stacked one below another. Now this data is dynamic. Now let me show you how. Let me go to, now you see here south or zone data is ending at row number 20. Now let me go to the sheet 3 and let me add some sales here. Ramp, and let the sales be say 20,000. See here, the data is added at row number 21 and the east zone data is now stacked from row number 22. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.